our fingers. We're abnormal. That's why. Okay.
Carol, you go first.
Now prepare for the amazing Caroline. Watch. Nothing up my sleeve, especially because I don't have to. Yep. Oh yeah. See, look at that. And it's not like this too. It's like this. Oh yeah. Now watch it go back.
Okay, it's my turn.
Ouch. Okay. It's Tina's turn.
I'm putting my bones.
I mean Lynn.
Is it right back?
I don't know.
Look, I have bones. You see? Okay.
Everybody does.
I know. And I'm gonna make them disappear.
Looks like a fish.
That woman just stared at me.
Yeah, she probably would stare at you. And that is it for our magic tricks.
Yes. Bye.
Oh, wait. Oh, we can also make us disappear. Watch this. Ready? Set. How do you pause? How do you pause?
Right here.
Okay. Ready? Set.